Gate.io is always bringing great innovations and great earning potentials for its customers. Now, if you want to earn free USDT test, the best thing you have to do is to go under the settings section of your Gate.io account, then click on giveaways. Alright, click on giveaways. So there are a whole lot of freebies in giveaways. So this USDT test is actually Gate.io way of rewarding its customers. Is that alright? So you are given a task to perform, and eventually once you perform that task, you'll be doing a USDT test. So you'll be wondering, what is USDTEST? So USDTEST is used in Gate.io's Hodl and Earn program with an annual return rate of 5%. The USD test is valid for 7 days after receipt, and the profit can be withdrawn or sold upon expiration. So you have a whole lot of activities that you can actually earn from, as well as airdrop that can participate. Alright, so you have USD test proof of stake and earn USDT exclusive for new users, long term. So you have all these other ones. We'll be making videos on how to participate on each of these. So have listing voting for some particular project. If you notice, one of the tabs shows what tax and bonuses. So clicking on tax and bonuses, it should bring you here. So you also have more tabs showing you novice tax, experience tax, trading volume tax. What we'll be focusing attention is on the experience tax, because for the novice tax, each of these have actually expired. Referral account have actually expired for me, but if you're a new user, you can actually get this $1,000 USD. Go to experience tax. So experience tax, you have first time participants in Hodl and Earn, first time participant in voting activities. You can get also 500 USD test for this. So click on do it now on any one of them to participate in them. So once you click on do it now, it should open up this particular interface. And some of them has finished, like this one has finished. Okay, this one has finished, but this one is still active. So you click on go to votes. Alright, so Simverse. So Simverse is a metaverse multiplayer game built on blockchain technology. The background of the game is based on most. So you can see more details. The goal is to get 10 million votes. It ends in 32 minutes. Okay, so a lot of people have been voting before now, but it already have 22 million votes. Alright, and 6,529 supporters. You can invite more votes and you can give your votes. So I'm going to give my votes now, and there'll be a kind of verification to confirm that it's me. So it's actually very peculiar to most of these exchanges: Binance, FTX, Gate.io. You just move this slider and it does the matching. There are criteria to actually vote, so your holding average have to be more than 1 Gate.io. So you have campaign instructions. You can read all these to know how to be eligible. Is alright. So there are a whole lot of criteria to participate in all these votes. So make sure you've done your KYC. We made a video on how to quickly do your KYC. Watch it up there now to know how. And you have to either be in VIP 0 to VIP 10. So that is how to get free USD test on Gate.io by performing simple tasks. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If there are topics you want us to make videos on, also let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you have not done so. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.